I am SIH-2023, the team leader of backbenches from G Polarity Engineering College, Karnool, Andhra Pradesh. Today I am very excited to share my solution with you, and also I am very glad to present my idea with you. Yeah, let us jump into our problem statement. Our journey begins with a simple yet powerful mission to address critical issues like domestic violence, mental health, and career guidance through the power of AI. Next, we observe the screen. It is shown that the LIA chatbot. And what exactly the LIA means? Actually, the LIA means it is simply defined as a life assistance chatbot with a product overview. Yeah, actually, imagine having a validated that offers guidance and support for career, mental health, and domestic violence and emergency. This is the vision of actually the LIA chatbot is mainly focusing on. And also, we inculcated a lot of main features to develop this LIA chatbot. And let us briefly explain what exactly the main features of this chatbot. Coming to the first feature, the main is the career path. Actually, I studied the potential career path based on the user interactions and skills and the qualifications. And the second feature is the safety measures. It provides the safety tips and precautions to prevent the domestic violence and ensure the personal safety. And the third one is emergency resources. It recommends the emergency alert systems and helpline numbers for different situations. And the fourth one is mental well-being. It offers some suggestions for the managing stress practices, mindful and seeking professional help when needed. And also coming to the fifth feature, actually, my best interesting feature. Actually, our team very passionately inculcated it. It is an innovations. Actually, we are introducing some of the remarkable innovations such as including automatic location fetching for emergency services and alert notification, and also sentiment analysis and even more like speech to text translations like that. Actually, the main focus is on solve the user's problem. The problems which are very hard killing problems. Actually, we are solving using the chatbot. Let us jump into how exactly it will work. This is the actually the chatbot interface looks. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. This is exactly the interface. In the main page, actually, we are seeing the home and life assistance and services and contact us. And also in the below, we observe it, the sentiment analysis. In the screen, we observe it. It's a beautiful interface that actually our team will design. Actually, in the opening message, it is saying that it is indicating that I am the chatbot. I have some of the main key features of domestic violence and language. This kind of guidance actually the AI chatbot will help the user. And also, you see the pop-up bubbles. Actually, it indicates such a keywords that are mainly used that are mainly affected the working of this earlier chatbot. These keywords help to a user to understand what exactly the chatbot will help. Right. And also in the screen, you observe that it type your message and start recording and send button. This is the kind of UI we design for the interacting with the users. Yeah. Let us dive into the questionnaire part. Let's try some of the questions how the chatbot will work. Yeah. If you want to type, or else you can use the recording button. Let us try with the recording button, and then we start. We can also type. Yeah, let's start with a hi message. Yeah, I think you observed that it will respond very fast. Actually, it is saying that greeting, tell me how can I help you today. This is the kind of interaction we like to create with the user when he responds on the greeting like that. Yeah, and let us take some of the examples and test how the real chatbot will work. Yeah, let's start my recording. Yeah, what are the training technologies for the best career? Do you observe right how accurately the voice message will be appear as the text? This is how the accuracy and the precision we develop with the real chatbot. Let us see and how the real chatbot will respond. Yeah, do you see? It gives a replay of course industry strengths, play a clear role in the shaping the career good, staying informed with the emerging technologies, changing consumption trends in the marketing. Yeah, it gives a wonderful training technologies for the best career. Yeah, and let's try some other more questions. Yeah, a website for career path development in online. Yeah, extraordinary answers from the real chatbot. Actually, it is saying that there are several great online resources like Career Explorer and MyNetMove and Wo.net online. Yeah, it is saying that there are a lot of websites like Career Explorer and MyNetMove. It is suggesting this kind of website for exploring and developing the user's career. Let us have some more questions regarding the career path. Yeah, and let's type something. Yeah. Special skills are necessary for career success. Let's see how the real chatbot will work. Yeah. Yeah, the other is start by researching and using the career job description, requirement and speak with professions in a field of different domains. Let us type what is domestic violence. Yeah, I think it is better to use a recording because it is very accurate and fast rather than typing. Yeah, and let's use the recording button. You can observe the button actually when you press the start recording. After the clicking the start recording, it is appears the stop recording. Right? Let's click start recording. Actually, observe it stop recording. Right? We again start. Yeah, what is domestic violence? And you observe how accurately it is typing what is domestic violence. Let's see how the chatbot will respond. We observe that it is showing that the domestic violence is a short and referring a pattern of abusive behavior or action within a close relations when one person seeks to exert the power of control over another. It's a very beautiful explanation with the chatbot. Let us take one example. If a person is in domestic violence, they need some of the assistance or help from other people. Right? Let us see how the real chatbot will respond to the kind of person. Because in the domestic violence, it is unable to chat something. I think it is better to use the voice command, which is better and a little bit of faster. So let's use the voice recording. Yeah, I am in trouble, stuck in domestic violence. Help me. Actually, I give a voice command of randomly because in the toughest situations it is not possible to get a perfect sentence like that. So that's the reason I like to give in abnormal sentences. Let's see how the real chatbot will respond. Yeah, let's send it. Yeah, it is really. I'm sorry to hear that you are in such a trouble difficulty. Your safety to top priority. You are in immediately danger in you. Okay, it is saying some of the emergency contacts and it is giving some of the suggestions. We are with you like that. And also one of the wonderful things, whenever the message is received, automatically the SMS alert is already sent. I will share my screen with you. Yeah, you can also observe how the clear notification is appearing into my phone. Yeah, actually you can also change the number. Actually, initially I give my number. You can also change the number according to the user interfaces. Actually, it is better to give your police numbers or any higher authority number because they can easily trace the number where the exact domestic is occurred. Right? Let's try some more questions. Let's try something. What are the trending technologies for the best career? Let's see how it responds. Let's try. what are the training technologies for the best career? And you observe it, yeah. And you observe it will give suggestions of some other. Sometimes the Leo chatbot will not able to give the accurate solutions the user expectation. That is why we also recommended YouTube recommendations in Spotify. And also you can see here these are the YouTube recommendations and also Spotify recommendations. You don't need to go to YouTube and watch and search it again. You can also play the YouTube video here itself.
This is the top 5 highest paying tech jobs of 2022. Number 5 is a data architect at 118K per year. Data architects optimize.
It is suggested highest paying tech jobs in 2022, and also it is for emerging technologies. You can also play.
Hello, coming to you from the future. There's no doubt.
And you observe it, how fantastically it is going on. You don't need to go to YouTube and search it again. You can also watch it right here. And also coming to these, there are some of the podcasts that are very useful. You can also download it here. You can just click on the download. It will automatically download. Yeah. For example, and also some of the cases I like to explain. If you use it in domestic violence, let's see one example. Yeah, in this scenario, the user who is using a Leah chatbot, that time I am in danger, I need help, right? Let's see how the Leah chatbot will respond. The idea saying that I'm really sorry to hear that you are in such a difficult situation. Your safety is, you are immediately danger. Please call the emergency. Yeah. It is assessing some of the contact details and other, and also the automatic alert system is also sent to the higher authorities. They can train the number and the location of the user who is using this chatbot, and also if the user want to find the nearest police station to save her, right? Here is the best figure actually you are inculcated. This is to find the nearest police station. You can just click on it. Yeah, it will automatically take your current location as the user in. You can observe it. There is four police stations that are available. You just click one by one. Yeah, you don't need to anything. You can just click on the text. It automatically redirects to the map, and you observe it. It is just 5 minutes far away from the user to reach the police station. Right? It is 1.3 kilometers. It is showing like that. Like this, the user can use this kind of access. Right? It's coming to mental health aspects, and let us try some of the questions regarding mental health. What are the signs of good mental health? Let's see how the real chatbot will respond. Yeah, it is showing some of the positive qualities and behaviors of the mental health. It's a good answer from the real chatbot. Now let's try some of the different aspects. Impact of mental health on different age groups. Yeah. That is saying very accurately. Yeah. In some scenarios, the user want to find the nearest hospitals regarding to the medical emergencies, right? This is the wonderful feature actually we inculcated in the chatbot itself. Yeah, you can also just scroll down. Yeah, here you self right, find the nearest hospitals. You don't need to search anything. You don't need to go for the external resources and all of the things. You can just click here. You can observe it. You can observe some of the nearest hospitals. You can just click the top one. It automatically redirects it, and also you can see that it is 4 minutes far away from the user. Yeah, it's 1.2 kilometers. It's very nearest to the user. Yeah, it is also showing picture of some of the nearest places, and also it is showing that the blue line indicates there is no traffic, and the yellow and red indicates some of the traffic in size. Like that we are using. And also let's try some of the YouTube recommendations also here. We have it is all about mental health.
Just like physical health, we all have mental health.
Most of us only ever share the good things. We don't like to share how we really feel. Show the difference. Even when I help when you're feeling low. So ahead of you, encourage me to sign up to this.
This is how the real chatbot will recommend some of the YouTube video, because sometimes it is better to visualize the content what the user exactly want to learn, right? I think this kind of features I didn't see in any chatbot. I think this is the best chatbot. It also helps to interact with the user as well as give the user experience what exactly the user want. I think this is the best practice of helping the user actually. It will recommend the top 5 YouTube recommendations and like that. And also observe that the question actually is what are the signs of good mental health, right? You can also suggest some of the good songs for mental health. Yeah, you can also download it directly. Yeah, like that. Now let's try some more questions regarding this one. What factors leads to mental health issues? Let's see how the chatbot will respond. Due to the combination of biological, genetic, and physiological and environmental frustration, trauma, and family history of mental illness. Wow, it's a fantastic job by the chatbot. Yeah, and also it's such an interesting thing actually done, right? Let's see. Let's try for one situation. I am depressed these days. How can I overcome depression? Actually, the user like to interact with the chatbot as usually you are interacting with humans, right? Let's see how the chatbot will respond. And so the interesting thing actually what is going on. It is showing some of the depressions related like that. Yeah, it is suggesting like some of the meditation and antidepressant can also prescribe for health practices. Like, and also we observe that in the sentiment analysis, the real chatbot itself detects the sentiment of the user. It is showing that it's negative. Whenever the user is discussing about the depressions and like this, they are feeling very low, right? So like that. The real chatbot will identify the sentiment of the user as a negative. Like that, it can also identify the positive segment and also neutral one. Yeah, depending upon the user conversations, the sentiment analysis may changes from positive to negative, negative to neutral, and negative to vice versa. Like that. So this is all about the how exactly the sentiment analysis of the chatbot and how the chatbot will interact with the user. Like that, and also there are some of the services more than actually the first page actually career opportunities and mental health, and also some of the pages like education and support groups and self-care activities and also recommendations. Actually, see that Spotify and YouTube recommendations. So actually, I didn't see any one of the chatbot that also recommend YouTube recommendations and Spotify recommendations like that. And also, this is the best part actually, the emergency contacts. I think it is very useful for everyone. You don't need to search it or any third-party resource. You can just click by clicking one click, you can get the nearest police stations as well as the nearest hospitals. You don't need to search it, right? I can also observe that there is a live tracking indication and also a voice recognition. Actually, you are using it. Yeah, you can also just by clicking the hospital or police station, you can also redirect it to the specified location. Actually, currently I'm in the same location while I am recording, so that is the reason for saying the nearest. It is showing the nearest hospital, the nearest police station. Whenever we change the location, it will automatically change it. Like that, it will work. Yeah. And also, we have, according to the problem statement, before I said that, integration of WhatsApp is also done by. Let's see some of the examples using the integration part. We also have integrations of chatbot with WhatsApp and Telegram, because nowadays we all are doing it. WhatsApp and Telegram all are, which are very popular social media platforms. More people are much more engaging with this kind of technology stuff, like this kind of applications mainly. So I think we thought that why don't we include this kind of chatbots with our general chats, like we are using in WhatsApp and Telegram side. So actually, we already done this kind of inculcating of chatbots with WhatsApp and Telegram. Let's click this is the WhatsApp. Yeah, I think it is in a video IBM, right? Yeah. Let's type some of the questions. And you observe that some of the text are good human beings and sharing. This kind of text you can also use it in WhatsApp itself. And also let's try one more question. What is domestic violence? Yeah. Let's see how the chatbot is. Yeah. It is simply defining what domestic violence is. You can also type anything you want. Let's try the same question what exactly we use in the web page, right? Yeah. Let's see. Safety measures for domestic violence. Let's see how the chat will respond. Yeah, wonderful actually. When I victim of the domestic violence, it is getting very accurately because you are using just a WhatsApp. Basically, it is my real WhatsApp account. Yeah, I am showing the real how the real chatbot is responding in WhatsApp. Jump into the impacts and the futures of this chatbot. Our chatbot has the potential to make a real impact. It can be improve mental well-being and prevent domestic violence and offers a valuable career guidance. And also, future development, we are looking ahead of. We have to plan a scale real chatbot and add more features and expand to reach even more people who can benefit from our AI-powered assistance. And also, if you have any queries regarding my project and this chatbot, you can just feel free to contact me. This is the request, and also you can also connect me to my LinkedIn page. Just you can click it. Yeah, this is one. This is one. Yeah, exactly. You can just type it. Yeah.